Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American diner. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a diner waitress. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is an early bird special? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good evening, Ken. You are right on time again.
Good evening, Ellie. I am very hungry tonight.
Perfect. Tonight I will teach you about dinner at a diner.
Dinner? I came here for breakfast and lunch before.
I know. So this is your third time. You are almost an expert.
Not yet, but I love this place more every time.
Look, the diner is calm and warm in the evening.
Yes, it feels different from the morning. It is less busy.
At night, families come here to relax after work.
That sounds nice. I can see people smiling inside.
They look happy and full after a good meal.
This evening feels relaxed. The morning was much busier.
Right. Dinner time is slow and quiet. It is good for talking.
I like that. We can eat and talk for a long time.
At dinner, diners serve something we call comfort food.
Comfort food? What does that mean?
It means warm, simple food that makes you feel happy.
Like the food your family makes at home?
Yes, just like that. It is not fancy, but it feels like home.
So comfort food is about feelings, not only taste.
Yes, it brings back happy memories of home and family.
That is a nice idea. Good food makes people happy.
It does. Are you ready to eat now?
Now I am even more hungry. I want to try it.
Then let us go inside and find our booth.
I can smell something good already.
That is the smell of a warm dinner. Come on. Here is our booth. Sit down and get comfortable.
Thank you. The seats are so soft. I like it here.
Here is the dinner menu. It is different from breakfast.
Wow, so many new words. What do people eat for dinner?
Many people order meatloaf. It is a classic dinner here.
Meatloaf? I have heard the word, but I'm not sure.
It is ground beef baked in the shape of a loaf of bread.
Oh, like a big piece of meat in a bread shape. Interesting.
Yes, people often put ketchup on top. It is very popular.
What else is good for dinner here?
Pot roast is great. It is beef cooked slowly with vegetables.
That sounds warm and soft, perfect for a cold night.
And many people love fried chicken with mashed potatoes.
Anything else I should know about?
There's also a hot turkey sandwich with gravy on top.
A sandwich with gravy. Do you eat it with a fork?
Yes, you do. It is soft, warm, and very filling.
So all of this is comfort food, right?
Exactly. You learn fast. This is classic American home-style food.
These dishes are new to me, but they sound great.
They are easy to love. That is why they never change.
Wait, what is this? It says Early Bird Special.
Ah, good eye. That is a special dinner deal.
A deal? What kind of deal? Is it cheaper?
Let us ask Carol when she comes. She explains it best.
Okay, now I really want to know. I will wait.
She'll be here soon. Let us choose our food first.
I think I will try the meatloaf tonight.
Great choice. It comes with potatoes and a dinner roll.
Good evening. Welcome back. Are you ready to order?
Good evening, Carol. Yes, but first I have a question.
Of course. You can ask me anything.
What is an early bird special? I saw it on the menu.
Good question. An early bird special is a cheaper dinner.
A cheaper dinner? How do I get it?
You get it if you eat early, before the busy dinner time.
So if I come early, I pay less money?
Yes, usually before 6 o'clock. It is a great deal.
That is smart. An early dinner saves money. I love it.
Many people come early just for this special.
Why do restaurants make dinner cheaper so early?
It fills the tables before the busy hours begin.
That is clever. The store and the guests both win.
Exactly. Many people like the early dinner time.
Is there a special dish for today, too?
Yes, today's daily special is pot roast with gravy.
That sounds good, but tonight I want the meatloaf.
Good choice. It comes with mashed potatoes and a roll.
Does the meatloaf come with any vegetables?
Yes, you also get green beans on the side.
Wonderful. That is a full and healthy plate.
It is. So, what would you like tonight?
Perfect. I will have the meatloaf, please.
Would you like something to drink with that?
What do you suggest for a cold evening?
Our coffee is bottomless. You can drink as much as you like.
Bottomless. That is a new word for me.
It means free refills. I will fill your cup again and again.
Wow, that is wonderful. Coffee, please.
Coming right up. Your dinner will be ready soon.
Thank you, Carol. I'm excited to eat.
So, Ken, what did you learn from Carol?
I learned about the early bird special. An early dinner's cheaper.
See, Carol is the best teacher for that.
She also said the coffee is bottomless. Look, here it is.
Yes, in many diners, coffee refills are free.
Free refills? So I can drink 3 or 4 cups?
You can. The waitress comes around with a hot pot.
Does she ask before she fills my cup?
Often, she just says, warm up. That means more coffee?
Warm up. I will remember that word.
Good. Now you sound like a real local.
This is so kind. I feel very welcome here.
That is the idea. Diners want you to stay and relax.
So people sit, drink coffee, and talk for a long time?
Yes, friends and families talk here for hours.
In my country, free refills are not so common.
I know. It is a special part of American diner life.
So the waitress watches every cup on the table?
Yes, when your cup is low, she comes to help.
That is great service. I don't even have to ask.
Right, but a smile and a thank you are always nice.
I love that. A diner is more than just food.
Right, it is a warm place to share time together.
This coffee is hot and good. I feel cozy now.
A warm drink on a cold night is the best.
I agree. I could sit here and talk all evening.
Drink slowly. Your dinner is coming very soon. Here comes your meatloaf, Ken. Look at that plate.
Wow, the plate is huge. There is so much food.
Yes, American diners are famous for big portions.
Big portions? You mean a large amount of food?
Exactly. One plate is often enough for 2 people.
I believe it. Look at all these mashed potatoes.
And there is more on the side. Do you see it?
There are green beans and a roll on the side too.
Yes, a dinner plate usually comes with 2 side dishes.
No wonder one plate can feed 2 people.
And do you see the brown sauce on top? That is gravy.
Gravy? It smells wonderful. What is it made of?
It is a warm sauce made from meat juice. Very tasty.
Do people put it on the potatoes and the meat?
Yes, gravy on mashed potatoes is a classic. Try it.
It is warm, soft, and so good. I love it.
I told you, this is real comfort food.
The meat is soft, and the potatoes are creamy.
That is home cooking. Simple food made with care.
There's also a warm dinner roll. So much food.
Eat slowly. There is no need to rush.
Honestly, I do not think I can finish all of this.
That's okay. Many people cannot finish their plate.
The food is great, but there's just too much.
That is a happy problem to have.
So what do they do with the rest of the food?
I will show you a nice trick after dessert.
Dessert? I almost forgot. What is good here?
You'll see. It's my favorite part. Now, look over there at the front counter.
I see a glass case with many round desserts inside.
That is the pie case. It turns around slowly.
Pies. There are so many kinds. They look beautiful.
Pie is the most famous dessert at an American diner.
Really? More famous than cake or ice cream?
Yes, apple pie is a true American classic.
Why is pie so special here at the diner?
Diners are known for fresh, homemade pies every day.
Homemade pie sounds wonderful. No wonder people love it.
Apple pie is the most popular one of all.
I have heard about apple pie many times. I want to try it.
Then let us order apple pie a la mode.
A la mode? What does that mean?
It means the pie comes with a scoop of ice cream on top.
Warm pie with cold ice cream? That sounds amazing.
It is. The hot and cold together is the best part.
I will remember this. A la mode means with ice cream.
Perfect. You are learning real diner words tonight.
Should I eat the pie and the ice cream together?
Yes, take a little of both in the same bite.
This pie is sweet and warm. The ice cream is melting.
That is how you know it is good.
What other pies do they have here?
Cherry, pumpkin, and banana cream are all popular.
So many choices. I want to try them all someday.
You do not have to choose only one.
Maybe next time I will pick the cherry pie.
Good plan. There's always a reason to come back.
That is true. I will be back very soon.
Then come back early for the early bird special. Okay, Ken. Remember the food you could not finish?
Yes, I felt bad about leaving so much meatloaf.
Do not worry. We can take it home in a to-go box.
We can take the food home? Really?
Yes, people call it a doggy bag or a to-go box.
A doggy bag? Is the food for a dog?
No, the food is for you. It is just an old name.
That is funny. So how do I ask for one?
You just say, "Can I get a to-go box, please?"
Can I get a to-go box, please? I can say that.
Great. Now you can enjoy your dinner again tomorrow.
Taking food home is a good way to stop waste.
Exactly. It is normal and smart to take leftovers home.
Now, how do we pay? Do we go to the front?
In this diner, we pay here at the table, and we leave a tip too.
A tip for Carol. How much should we leave?
Many people leave about 15 to 20%.
Carol was very kind, so let us leave 20%.
That is a wonderful idea. She will be happy.
Do we leave the tip in cash on the table?
Yes, or we can add it when we pay by card.
Tonight, I learned so many new things.
Tell me, what do you remember best?
The early bird special. a cheaper dinner if you eat early.
Perfect. You remembered the answer to our question.
And the bottomless coffee and the pie a la mode.
You learned a lot tonight. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Ellie. Diners are now my favorite places.
Then let us come back again very soon.
Yes, next time we will come early for the special.
And we will save the early bird money for pie.
That is the best plan I have heard today.
It is a deal. Good night, Ken.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is an early bird special? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.